we're gonna do a quick test drive here. The car has 4,182 miles on it. The steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Car sounds amazing, shifts amazing. This is an awesome, awesome car. No complaints at the car. Everything drives perfect. It's such a beautiful car. All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on the front right wheel, carbon looks amazing. I don't see any curb rash or any imperfections that stand out. Got the carbon ceramic brakes. Looking at the fender, looks amazing. Here on the side mirror, I see two tiny little scuffs right there. A-pillar looks perfect. Door looks good. The blade there looks nice. Lower rocker's clean. There's one tiny rock chip right there. Quarter panel looks good. Lower rocker area looks awesome. That wheel is perfect. I don't see any curb rash there. And all of that looks good. This paint is amazing. Absolutely gorgeous in person here. All of that looks good. And checking out the front end, you do have a gash right there and some little scratches in the paint. Kind of indented that plastic a little bit. Kind of scanning the hood here, looking for rock chips. See a couple scuffs here. Looks like some rocks kind of scuffed it. A little one there as well. That headlight looks good. Kind of looking through the front right here. That's where that gash is. The rest of that looks good. Got a little chip there. A couple small ones here. See a small chip there. One right there. So far, I don't see any rash. All of that looks really nice. I don't see any rash under there. Carpets look good. All that plastic is nice and clean. The underside looks nice. I don't see really anything that stands out as far as imperfections go here. Here on the driver's side, looking at the fender. All of that looks good. Here on the front left wheel, I don't see any curb rash. That lower rocker looks good. Side mirror looks nice. That A-pillar looks good. Door looks nice. You do have a couple rock chips on the edge right there. Little one on that edge. All that feels good. That blade looks nice. The quarter panel looks good. See the tiniest little scuff there. You can barely feel it with your nail. That's it. That's the only imperfection that stood out on that wheel. All of that looks good. And then here on the back side, taillights look good. Spoiler looks nice. Kind of looking through all of this. That's all clean. So far, all of this looks good. Not seeing anything that's standing out to me. All of this looks good. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker, and of course it still smells brand new. Upper section looks amazing. All those buttons are perfect. All the Alcantara is super clean. That lower section looks good. A couple scuffs on the plastic. A few right here, but otherwise that looks good. That bolster's perfect. Couple tiny scuffs right there. Otherwise that looks nice. Got all the Alcantara here and it's super smooth. It's not matted down. There's really not much to pick apart in here as far as scuffs or scratches go. It's all very clean. Here on the passenger door panel, that upper section looks good. All of that Alcantara is perfect. I don't see any scuffs or scratches that stand out. It's all very clean. See a tiny scuff here and one there. The rest of that looks nice. Carpets look amazing. All that Alcantara on the glove box looks good. See two tiny little stains, or at least something on the Alcantara there. That bolster looks good. Tiny scuff right there. Upper section looks nice. Those seats look really good. Upper side of the dash is perfect.